Hello, welcome to another class with Physics Anchor. Today we have just a question on the board from Simple Machine, and this question is a special request from one of my JAMB students. So I want us to solve the question alone, okay? And I want everyone to benefit from it, especially those people that will be writing JAMB. So let's get to work. An electric water pump rated 1.5 kilowatts lifts 200 kilograms of water through a vertical height of 6 meters in 10 seconds. What is the efficiency of the pump? That's the question. So we have our acceleration due to gravity as 10 meters per second square, and we are being asked to neglect what? Air resistance. Okay. So listing out what we have and what we need to find. They want us to calculate the efficiency, and of course we know that efficiency equals because looking at this, they have given us power here, okay, of the water pump, and you know that that is the input power, okay, or power input. So the electric pump is the one that is actually doing the work, is the one that is putting in the power. So we can say that what, let's list out the parameters first. So the input power or power input, okay, equals to 1.5 kilowatts. And because that is not in watts, we can't use it in kilowatts. So we know that it's going to be 1.5 times 1000, so that we can convert it to watt. And that will be 1500 watts. Okay. So we convert that. So that's the power input. The power of the electric pump is the input. So we need power output, okay, so that we can actually get our efficiency, because we know that what efficiency equals power output over power input multiplied by 100%, or you say mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times 100%. So in this case, they are not asking us anything related to mechanical advantage, they are not asking us anything related to velocity ratio. So in as much we have seen that what we have gotten input power which has been given to us, what's next for us to get our efficiency will be for us to figure out from other parameters if we can calculate our power output. Okay, so our power output, okay, that's the work that the pump is doing now. The pump is lifting, okay, the water through, the water of 200 kilograms. So the mass of the water is 200 kilogram, okay, and that is the SI unit for what? Mass. So we don't have to do any conversion. And the height is 6 meter. So let's call that height rather. That's 6 meter. And the time is 10 seconds. So the time is 10 seconds. Okay, and they have given us what? G equals to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so these parameters, when you look at it very well, you can see that what it can actually give us our um, power output. So our power output now, output power output is the work that is being done. Okay, so that's equals energy, okay, over time, and that will give us what's the energy. Because we have mass, we have G, we have H, we know that energy is mgh over T. So our mass is 200 times 10, which is our G, times 6, which is our height, over the time, which is what? 10. So 10 cancel 10 immediately, and that will give us 0, 0, 120. So that will be 1200 watts. So that is the power output. So we can now write the formula for our efficiency equals to power, okay, output over power input times 100 percent. So that's the formula that we can use to find our efficiency. So what's our power output now? Our power output now is 1,200 over our power input is what we have here, which is 1,500 times 100%. So I can say 0 cancel 0, 0, 0. So I have efficiency equals to 1,200 over 15. So I can cut this with 5. 5 here, 3. 5 in 12 will give me 2 in 24. That's 0. That's 240 over 3. So I can use 3 now. 3 in 24 will give me 8. Here, 0. So our efficiency equals to what? 80%. So let's check the option. So that is what? Correct option is what? C. So 80%. That's how you go about solving these questions. We have no questions that also look like this. All you just need to do is that to know rather is that your efficiency is your power output over power input. That's when you are dealing with power. But when you are dealing with mechanical advantage and velocity ratio, your power output over power input, rather than having that, you are going to be having efficiency equals mechanical advantage over velocity ratio. You just have to get yourself familiarized with the formulas and know how to apply the formulas when you see the parameters being given in a question. So I hope you have gained something from today's question that I've solved. Uh, Please share this video with other JAMB students around you. Let them also learn from this video. Hit the notification button, subscribe if you have not done that. Share out the video, put down the comments, let me know how well you are studying for your examination. Till next time, I will be having a new video, okay, on past questions for JAMB. Have a nice time studying. Bye for now.